Yeah, bro, I drive.
Ooh, is that a Hellcat truck?
Yes, TRX.
Ooh.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's go.
Ooh. Ooh. But this is crazy. This is nice.
Appreciate it. But I ain't gonna lie, we need gas.
Oh, we do?
We need to just do that first here. Yeah, we just pulled up, man. The pump's on your side. Do you mind pumping gas?
Yeah, I got you, bro.
Here. I got this.
Yeah. Wait, is this? But it's not gonna get us nowhere.
It's gonna get us back home, bro. Time's been hard, bro. What the fuck,
Oh my
bro?
God, bro.
Pump the damn gas, bro,
we
please,
not,
bro.
We not making it home.
Damn.